Hola, Spanish 1. This is your group of structures that would normally be on the board, and since we did not have school on Tuesday, I'm going to give these to you in video form. Okay, so our first structure for el 17 de febrero de 2021, our first structure is el dormitorio. Okay, and that means the bedroom. So see the word dorm in there. The Spanish word to sleep is dormir, so makes sense. So the word again is el dormitorio. The next word is entre la cama y la pared. Okay, so a couple things going on here. First of all, our word entre means between, and then we have the word la cama, which is the bed, y, which is my word for and, la pared, and that's the word for the wall. Okay, so all together again, between the bed and the wall is entre la cama y la pared. Okay, the next group, they're all a verb, and they are a very common verb, and it is the verb she or he puts or places, like places something down or places it over there. Okay, so the word for that in Spanish is pone. Okay, so that's present tense, she or he puts or places. Okay, so I'll say it again, pone. Okay, then if I want to put that into the completed action past tense, which is she or he put or she or he placed something, the word is puso. Okay, it does not take an accent. It's one of those irregular verbs, okay, which again, we're starting to see that the irregular verbs are the most commonly used verbs. And so that again, puso is she or he put or placed completed action. Then if I want to have she or he put or she or he placed something like as a habit all the time, every time at this time she put her coffee cup down or whatever, then I would say the word ponía. Okay, with an accent on my I. Okay, so that means ponía means she or he put or placed. That's the ongoing past tense. Okay, so let me say those three third person, the he or she forms. Okay, the first one is pone, puso, and ponía. Okay, I'm also going to include the you form and the I form of the verb, so that helps you understand your questions, which you're going to be working on after this part of the assignment. Okay, so the word you put, or if I make it into a question, do you put? The word is pones, P-O-N-E-S. Okay, I'll say that one again, pones. Okay, and if it's a question, it would be pones. Okay, so pones is you put or do you place? And then the answer to that, it's kind of a funny little word here, it is pongo. Okay, pongo means I put or I place. Okay, so again, real quick, structures for Wednesday: el dormitorio, entre la cama y la pared, pone, puso, ponía, pones, and pongo. Okay? Then you will have some questions. Okay, we'll do them in a written format today. So I've got 5 questions practicing the structure dormitorio. And then we've got a few questions practicing pones and pongo, okay? And then the last grouping allows us to focus just on the structure entre, which means between, okay? And I believe I've got some decent examples in there to help guide you through those questions. Do your best, and I look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. Adios.